now I will show you how we do the testing using this HH200. So first of all, we need to install the battery. The battery, we can use the AA. After this, we will use the probe to assembly on this area. Then we switch on. So on the first time, we will do the verification of the equipment. So I will use this test block. So from this test block, they will show out the reading will be in here, HLD 775. So now I will use to test it out. So first of all, you just need to use the rebounds on this test block. First reading 775. Second reading will be 772. Third reading will be 772. So they will average 3 reading become 773. So it's under the tolerance. So this is the way to doing the verification on this equipment.